My name's Steve Wood, Sling Guru. Want to demo our EZ Sling on how it goes on, how you fix it to your air gun. One thing I would like to highlight, you'll see like tri-glides on some of the things that I'm adding on here. And our tri-glide is a patented glide because it has teeth inside it that glide will not come out. It will not slide.
So it locks onto that webbing
absolutely
like a piranha. I mean,
yeah,
it's going to really bite and hold.
Even if I just go like this with just one side. Yeah. So go with the demo here. What comes in the package, you get the sling, you get the cazador, which goes on the butt stock.
Yep.
You get 2 flexible swivels, one long and one short.
Got it.
So on this, I'm going to go ahead and come around this pumper. I'm going to go right around the barrel right there. Now, if you do have a barrel that's not a fixed barrel like this one, you're gonna have to come up with a little different mounting point other than the barrel.
Well, like we did on the Springer,
yeah,
with the cocking lever, you can certainly mount there.
Yes.
But what's really important here is this double set of teeth.
Yep, both sides
on this tri-glide that are going to lock that strapping in. That's really the story here. Once those things are under tension, they're not
coming off. They are not coming off.
So you've got some adjustments in that loop to kind of adapt it to your body. I know.
Right.
I tried Steve's on at first, and I might be a little bit more barrel chested.
Yeah, no
maybe shaped like a whiskey barrel, and we definitely had to let that out. But there's tons of room. I mean, we weren't even anywhere near the end of it. So
these have been fit onto. There was a gentleman that wore like a 7X shirt. So if that gives you a rough idea,
how
large it will go. So the cazador has some strong Velcro,
and it's not the Velcro that's holding. The Velcro is just holding the tension.
Exactly.
So you're not relying on Velcro to do the work.
Nope.
You're just relying on the Velcro to lock it in.
Exactly.
Because of the way it doubles over.
Just like that. Then our buckle systems they'll hold up to 85 pounds.
Wow.
So they're quite strong. It's already on the gun. So
you're done.
It's done. Bring it up.
Has anybody else ever experienced that pucker factor when you're about to take a drill to your $3,000 hunting rifle and put a sling mount in,
right?
Or take it to the gunsmith and pay him a couple $100 to do it. Whereas you could just have a really secure solution right after you open the package.
Right. So our flexible swivels and our cazadors can be purchased individually. So one sling, we'd like you to buy more, a bunch of slings, but you could, in theory, keep one cazador on this one, your flexible swivel here.
Sure.
Take the sling completely off of it and go to another gun.
Well, if you're really cheap like Pat is, that makes sense because you don't want to spend the money on slings, but most normal people would just buy more slings.
Right. So I'm going to step over here just
yeah.
So as we demoed earlier, come here.
Very nice.
Now it's there. Then out, waist.
Again, going right back the way he came.
Yeah. So you're never going against the trigger. So it's always going in a safe motion.
Got it.
Okay. So there's one more mode, what we call the backpack mode. Bring it up, come through here. Now the gun is straight up and down.
Excellent.
Reach back, pull up, come over your strong shoulder, and it's right back at the ready.
Wow. That is a lot of flexibility.
Yeah. Yeah, you're always at the ready. Shoulder it, bring it up. You're ready to go.
Very nice.
It's always there.
Thank you,
Always
Steve.
at the ready. So,
Thank you very
Bill.
much.